Hello, Algebra 2 Honors Parents and Guardians. Welcome to Miss Colebank's Back to School Night video for 2020. I'm Emily Colebank, your student's math teacher for this year. So I just wanted to start out with some contact information. If you need anything, my email is emilycolebank@smsd.org. That is by far the best way to contact me. I also have a teacher Twitter account, which is @ColebankMath. And just for context, when students are back in the building, I'm in room 418. You're also welcome to message me through Canvas if you need anything. I've been receiving and responding to messages on Canvas, which is a pretty handy way to get more information. And then if you're not already, register as an observer on your student's Canvas account. It just gives you more access to some of the things that we are working on and can help you stay in the loop. So a little bit of information about me on my background. This is my 4th year as a math teacher, but it's my 1st year at Shawnee Mission East. Before this, I worked at Lawrence High School, and then last year I was at Westridge Middle School in Shawnee Mission. I have bachelor's degrees in mathematics and English from the University of Kansas, and I also hold a master's degree in education administration from KU that I received this past May. Some fun facts about me are that I graduated from Shawnee Mission East in 2013. So in the school song where we say Lancers, we will always be, that's a little bit more true for some of us. My favorite hobbies are camping and DIY home projects, and I rescued a miniature poodle named Jerry, who is my whole family. I love him. Course information. So this is just a breakdown of some of the specific things. And if you need more specific information, ask your student to show you the syllabus, but I just sort of took the key pieces of info from that and put them in this presentation. For materials for the course, your student really just needs a notebook, maybe a pen, pencil, highlighter. They also need access to a calculator. A TI-83 or 84 is best. We have calculators that we've been renting out at the beginning of the year, so hopefully you got my Skyward message earlier this year. But if you still need a student to rent a calculator, you're welcome to let me know. Otherwise, you can find a TI-83 or 84 online, used ones, or you can even get them at like Walmart or Target. That's the same calculator your student will need for all of the rest of the classes they have at Shawnee Mission East. So you can look at it as an investment, or you can rent one if that's better for your family. For grading, this class is 85% for assessments. That's the test category on Canvas. So by Honors Algebra 2, there is a lot more emphasis on the assessment portion of the course and less for assignments, which is only 15% of the class grade. In Canvas, we only have so many options on how we can classify the different sections. So assessments is called test in Canvas, and assignments are called classwork, if you're wondering. Homework is actually on a weekly cycle in this class, and it's due every Monday at 8 p.m. Students are given a packet on Monday that has their homework for the entire week, and then they turn in all of that homework the following Monday. So it does put a little responsibility on the students, but also provides flexibility because students can see what they're going to have to complete for the whole week at the beginning of the week. We also do review quizzes on homework packets just to give the students more review on crucial concepts and to give us an idea on how students are learning. I say us because me and Miss Nita are teaching this course together. We're using nearly all of the same items, so between the two Algebra 2 honors teachers, everything is really consistent. The format for this class is going to use group work and independent practice as much as possible. I know these concepts, but I really care that the students learn the concepts, and the best way I do that is make them show me that they know what's going on. Content, we're focusing on the priority standards, but it is an honors class, so we're going to push the students. And then for lectures, students are going to take notes on notebook paper, and that has been going really well so far. Here are my rules and expectations for the course. You're not allowed to say negative statements about your mathematical abilities. Examples include, I'm bad at math and I'm never going to get it. I also try to extend this out to parents and guardians. If you feel like you were unsuccessful in math encourage your student to try their hardest, because honestly, if we can get over that mindset piece, I can get any student to be successful in here. You must be a supportive classmate and are expected to show respect and care for every individual. Bullying's absolutely not tolerated. I just want students to feel comfortable in here, and so if students are not being good classmates, it makes it really hard to learn anything. This year definitely will require a positive attitude and flexibility from all students. Try your best to be a team player and stay patient. I've been super impressed with the attitude of students. Everybody is trying their best, and we're all working together. And I think that we have gotten a pretty good routine down over these first couple weeks. And then take pride in your mathematical abilities and work. When possible, complete all assignments completely and on time. It's important that students focus on organization, presentation, time management, skills like those in addition to their math skills. So those are things that I'm always trying to promote. A typical day usually has these components, sometimes more things, sometimes less. We always start out with the WebEx check-in. That's where we do a question of the day and attendance. I always go over review homework questions if they need me to clarify something or if there was something that was particularly challenging in the homework packet. Lessons are going to be live via the iPad. I also have the option to record them beforehand, but I've really enjoyed that live interaction with students, and it seems to be going well. Often I follow up the lesson with an activity, and then we finish out the hour with any homework time that may be left over. So that's this presentation. Honestly, it's just a snapshot on how Honors Algebra 2 is going, some of my expectations, and what the course is going to look like. If you have any follow-up questions, please contact me at emilycolebank@smsd.org. I'm happy to answer and clarify anything, and I've really enjoyed spending time with your students and can't wait to continue the year with them. Have a good night.